like zoom in and stuff as I go. All right, I'm going to do an unboxing of the EuroFone V10 Bluetooth intercom headset. So this is the model X002 MF53C7. So kind of go through what's in the box and so on. Get your manual in Chinese. It does have English in it. I know because I've already opened up one of these. It has your English instructions and so on. Alright, first thing you get in the box is the actual Bluetooth intercom setup. A couple different mounting adapters. Get the bag differently. Get your 3M tape, some screws and an Allen key for a clip. So you're gonna apparently stick the clip. Oh, this is for the like a pad. So you can mount this to the right way, I guess. You can mount it to the clip like this and actually slide it over like a baseball cap type clip, or I don't know, whatever you hook it to. And then it has the sticky clip for like the side of your snowmobile helmet, motorcycle helmet, like this, which is how I had mine mounted. Alright, next part. This is the part that I found really cool. You get USB, mini USB charging cable, but your headset cables, this is what I really like, has a separate microphone. So your microphone here, like if you have a Skidoo Modular 3 helmet with the breath mask, you can run this through the breath mask, through the side, and all you got to do is disconnect your boom mic, connect your modular microphone, and you can connect it and disconnect it whenever you need. So I was really impressed with that. The stereo headphones, I listened to it and it actually was loud enough, and I'm partially deaf in one ear, and it was loud enough and clear that I was really impressed with it. That's pretty much it. I mean, the one thing I noticed, to turn it on and off, you have to hold the power button, and now it turned on. You got your front jack here, which I believe will end up facing down on your helmet, and that's where it plugs in here. Hold this for 2 seconds to synchronize to USB like a cell phone and so on. And I think it also, you have to synchronize this with your headset to communicate to other helms. Now this thing does actually connect up to 10 different devices, and it may connect to other types of may connect to other headsets as well. I'm not positive of that. It says compatible with other brand Bluetooth headsets, so it says it is, but if it is or not, that's up for debate. So, all right, thanks for watching. That's it.